In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep paragraphs together in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're working on documents where you want to maintain a clean, professional appearance. It's frustrating when paragraphs get split between pages, creating an unappealing layout and sometimes even breaking the flow of your content. Fortunately, Microsoft Word has a built-in feature to help manage this, and it's both effective and easy to use. Let's break it down step by step so you can follow along and apply this feature in your documents. We'll begin on the main screen of your Word document. First, make sure you select the paragraph or paragraphs you want to keep together. This can be done simply by using your mouse or trackpad. Remember, selecting the right paragraphs is key because this feature will apply to whatever is highlighted. Once selected, you'll need to head over to the Home tab, located at the top of your screen. This tab is your primary tool for many formatting options, so it's a great area to familiarize yourself with. Now that you're in the Home tab, direct your attention to the paragraph group. In the bottom right corner, you'll notice a small arrow icon. This might seem unassuming, but it's your gateway to more detailed formatting options. Go ahead and click that arrow. What you've just done is open the paragraph dialog box, a powerful tool packed with options to fine-tune the layout and appearance of your text. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Line and Page Breaks tab within this dialog box. This tab holds several useful features, and today we're focusing on the pagination section. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Keep Lines Together. By checking this box, you're instructing Word to keep the entire paragraph on one page. This means if there's not enough space at the bottom of a page to fit the whole paragraph, Word will automatically move it to the next page rather than splitting it awkwardly. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain the integrity and readability of your document. After you've checked Keep Lines Together, remember to click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it. With this setting enabled, the paragraph will stay intact on the same page, not breaking across pages. This is particularly useful in professional documents, such as reports and proposals, where maintaining consistency and readability is crucial. By using this feature regularly, you'll become more efficient with your document formatting, ensuring your work looks polished and professional. So, the next time you're organizing a document, remember these steps and keep your paragraphs together for a cleaner, more cohesive appearance.